We're getting to the point in this series of Christmas cocktails where I think we could all use something simple and refreshing, which is why I'm bringing back one of my favorite drinks from the last Christmas series, the Spiced Cranberry Mule. Roll the intro. Now, I've once again forgotten to switch this over. I'm just going to go ahead and do that, because I'm trying to make this one quick, because I'm still sick as hell. Yep, today we're making a kind of revitalized spec of a cocktail that was previously released on the channel, the Spiced Cranberry Mule, which is a whiskey mule featuring some spicy berry flavors. Really that cut and dry sometimes. Let's go ahead and talk about the ingredients. To make this cocktail, you will need lime juice, cranberry juice, Angostura Bitters, a good robust bourbon, and some ginger beer. The garnish also requires some lime, so keep enough around to use that for that as well. English is hard sometimes, and it's the only language I really speak. Let's go ahead and mix one of these up. Go ahead and grab your serving vessel and build the drink in that. I'm going to start by pouring a small amount of ginger beer into the cup so that there is some effervescence started. We'll come behind that with 4 dashes of Angostura Bitters. We'll come behind that with half an ounce of freshly squeezed lime juice. Next we'll do 1 ounce of cranberry juice, and finally 2 ounces of bourbon. That is all of our ingredients, so let's go ahead and grab some ice. With that filled up with ice, we'll just top it up with the rest of our ginger beer. And for our garnish, we'll just take a wedge of lime and perch that on the rim. Now you could stop there, that's where I thought to stop, but I forgot that I'm making a YouTube show, so I'm gonna dress it up a little bit for the sake of the thumbnail. I'm also gonna add a cinnamon stick, and a couple of fresh cranberries just kind of scattered on top. That, ladies and gentlemen, is a spiced cranberry mule. Cheers. All right, let's go ahead and give that a taste. Cheers. Ooh, yes. The whiskey really tampers down the edge on the ginger in a way that is very approachable, and it makes it a little bit of a warmer drink without totally losing like the cold, crisp flavor that sits there. The cranberry and the lime bring back some acidity and tartness and kind of bounce off the Angostura in a really fun way so that it's not super bitter. It just kind of tastes like spices. And honestly, this respec, compared to the last one, is way better. It's got this fun, almost old-fashioned-like interplay between the whiskey and the bitters, because there's so much of it. And the sweetness coming from the cranberry juice and the ginger beer is just enough to, like, not make it, like, hard to approach, you know? It really does taste almost like a mulled ginger beer, in a way. Like mulled ginger, like it's been stewed. This whiskey has been imbued, stewed with, positively festooned with spices. And on top of that, I mean, it's an attractive looking beverage. This is something that I think anyone would look at and go, oh, that's a nice looking drink right there. Good job. Well, thank you all so much for watching. That's all I have for you today. Go ahead and stick around for the last, unfortunately, episode of 12 Drinks of Christmas tomorrow, where we're gonna go back to the drawing board, respec something that was in the original series, and make it far better than it ever was before. Cheers.